this video, I will teach you how to fix the Facebook login error on iPhone. This is so you can get back to scrolling, posting, and messaging without any frustration. So first thing you need to do is to open the app on your iPhone. If you already have an account, you can try logging in as usual. But if you don't have an account yet, you just tap sign up to create. Sometimes the error only appears when logging in, not during the sign up option. If you see the login error, start by first closing the Facebook app. Tap to swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and click the Facebook app away to fully close it. Then you just have to reopen the app and try logging in again. The next step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is a common cause of login errors. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. You can test this by opening up Safari and visiting any website like apple.com. Sometimes outdated app version cause login problems, so you just have to go to App Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if you see it. After updating, you have to try logging in again on your Facebook app. This can probably solve the Facebook login error on your iPhone. The next thing you can do is to clear cache and reinstall if necessary. If you're still having trouble, you just have to uninstall the Facebook app and reinstall it from the App Store. But before deleting, make sure you know your email and password so you can log back in on your Facebook account. Reinstalling often fixes hidden bugs that cause login errors on your phone or your app. After doing all of those steps, your Facebook login on iPhone should be working smoothly. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.